Hello friends, welcome to After School, and in today's video we will see the word problems based on area and perimeter. So let's begin. Our first word problem is a rectangle has length 5 cm and breadth of 3 cm. We need to find the perimeter and area of the rectangle. So what this question means is that there is a rectangle whose length is 5 cm and breadth is 3 cm. We need to find the area and perimeter of this rectangle. So first we will find the perimeter because it is in the statement perimeter. So to find the perimeter of a rectangle, there is a formula of 2 into length plus breadth. And length plus breadth is in brackets. So we will use this formula to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So we will rewrite the question as 2 into, and we will not write length. Instead of length we will write 5 cm because it is our length of the question, and instead of breadth we will write 3 cm. Now we will first add this because in board mass bracket comes first. So 2 into 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, and centimeter we copy down. Now it's 2 into 8 centimeter. 2 into 8 equals to 16 centimeter. So our answer or perimeter of the rectangle is 16 centimeter. Now we will find the area of the rectangle. So to find the area of a rectangle, I'm going to erase this rectangle. Area of a rectangle there is a formula of length into breadth. Length, length into breadth. So now we will rewrite the question. 5 cm into 3 cm. So we will multiply this. 5 into 3 is equals to 15, and centimeter into centimeter equals to centimeter square. What centimeter square means is it is centimeter into centimeter. We write centimeter into centimeter as its short form of centimeter square. So the area of rectangle is 15 centimeter square. So let's move on to our next question. Our next question is a bedsheet has the dimensions of 3 meter length and 2.5 meters breadth. So we need to find the area covered by the bedsheet. There is a bedsheet whose length is 3 meters and breadth is 2.5 meters. We need to find its area. So let's start. To find the area, because it is a rectangle, we need to find the area of a rectangle. So we will use the same formula as before, length into breadth. Now we will rewrite this question as 3 meters into 2.5 meters. Now we will multiply it. 2.5 multiplied by 3. 3 5s are 15. We carry 1. 3 2s are 6. 1 7. And because there is a point, we will add a point here. So we get 7.5. So the area of the bedsheet is 7.5 meters. So now let's move on to our next question. Our next question is, if a square field has the dimensions 40 meter, then find the area of the field and the length of the wire for fencing the boundary. What this means is that there is a square field whose dimensions or sides are 40 meters. And we need to find the area of this square field and the wire which we use for fencing the boundaries. So let's solve. First we'll find the area. To find the area of a square, there is a formula of side into side. So we will rewrite this question as 40 meters into 40 meters. 4 into 4 equals to 16, and there is 2 zeros, we will add 2 zeros. And because there is 2 meters and as it is multiplied, we will write it as 1600 meters square. So our area is 1600 meters square. So now we need to find the length of the wire for fencing the boundary. The boundaries are the perimeter of this square field. Because the perimeter is already a boundary, we will find the perimeter of the square. So let's find it. To find the perimeter of the square, I'm gonna erase this square field. Perimeter of square. To find the perimeter of square, there is a formula of 4 into side. So we will rewrite it as 4 into 40 meters. 4 into 40 is equals to 160, and because there is not another meter in our question, we will write it as 160 meters. So the length of the wire is 160 meters. We can write it as, therefore, area of the field is 1600 meters square, and the length of the wire is 160 meters. So let's move on to our next question. So our next question is, what will be the labor cost of tiling a hall which is 42 meters long and 20 meters wide at the rate of rupees 6 per meter square? So what this question means is that there is a hall which is 42 meters long, which means its length is 42 meters, and 20 meters wide, which means its breadth is 20 meters. So first we will find the area of the hall and then we will multiply it by the labor cost. So let's find out the area. Because the length and the breadth is given, it means that it is a rectangle. Area of a rectangle, there is a formula of length into breadth to find the area of the rectangle. So we will write LNGTH, length, into B READTH, breadth. We will rewrite this question as 42 meters multiplied by 20 meters equals to 42 into 20 is equals to 840. And because there is 2 meters and is being multiplied, we will write it as meter square. 840 meter square. So to find the total labor cost, we will multiply the area with the labor cost. So rate of labor is equals to ₹6 per meter square. So therefore the labor cost is equals to ₹6 multiplied by 840. So let's multiply. 840 we will write it first because it is bigger, multiplied by 6. 6 0 0, 6 4 are 24, 4. We write 2 as carry. 6 8s are 48. Plus 2 we get 50. So answer is, or we can say the labor cost is ₹5,040. This is the end of this exercise. Subscribe to get the next videos very quickly. Thank you. Subscribe please.
Thanks for watching. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो जरूर लाइक करिएगा और सब्सक्राइब तो जरूर करिएगा और अपने दोस्तों के साथ जरूर शेयर करें ताकि उन्हें अच्छे इन्फॉर्मेशन वाले वीडियो मिल सके. So thank you. Subscribe please.